3 4/5. Number 19 is 10. 19 is 10. And number 20 is 6 1/3. 6 1/3. Ellie, 5.
18.
3 4/5. Sammy. 2 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Eddie Clark.
9.
9 is greater than. 9 is greater than. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time. Unless you miss 0, raise your hand if you miss 0. Well, a few of you. If you did not miss 0, this is your chance to figure out why, so you don't miss the same things tomorrow. Eddie Clark.
I don't understand how I want
Number 9.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe I read it wrong. Here was the deal when we talked about comparing decimal numbers. Okay. Yes, these both have 3's in them, but they're in different places. This 3 is in the tens place, or tenths place. This is in the hundredths place. What you're supposed to do, would it help if you did this? Remember, we can always add zeros to the end of decimal. See how this has 2 digits at the end of a decimal? This only has 1. But if you put another 0 there, this is a 30, and this is a 3. 30 would be bigger than 3. Or another way to think about it is this. When you compare decimals, Frankie, this is why are you jamming it in there? Here, let me give you a clue. First of all, the number one problem in this is all of this paper that has lines on it should be in your 3-ring binder part.
It's not fit.
What do you mean it won't fit in there? There's nothing in that. You can't tell me it won't fit in there, because it will fit in there. You trying to jam all of this into a pocket is a bad idea, sir. Bad idea. Back to this. Okay, if it's a decimal, the first thing you look at are the whole numbers. 0 and 0 are the same, so that doesn't make anything. Then go to the next digit after the decimal. This is a 3 after the decimal, that's a 0. You can stop right there because the 3 is bigger than the 0. No matter what comes after this, you could have all these be 9s and it'd be the world's largest decimal number. This is always going to be bigger because there's a 3 in the tens place and there's a 0 in the tens place there. Victoria.
So, like, it doesn't matter if you add zeros after it, but it matters if you do it before.
Yeah, you can't just add zeros. Well, it doesn't matter if you add zeros in front of it, like over here, but you can't just take 3 and make it 0.03, because those are 2 different numbers. This is like having 30 cents, this is like having 3 cents. You can always put zeros at the end of numbers. It makes them a little harder to read, but it doesn't change what they are. Usually we usually don't put zeros at the end just because it makes it that much harder to understand. Colin?
Number 8.
Number 8, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, number 8 says round to the nearest 1/10 of a centimeter. 1/10 of a centimeter, which, by the way, all of these are tenths of centimeters. How many whole centimeters is it? 4. And then you just have to put the decimal point and then count how many spaces come after the 4, not lines, because you'll get it wrong if you count this as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 4 whole centimeters and 6/10 of the next one. What did you put, Colin? 9/16? Yeah, well, this centimeters are never, inches are the only thing we cut into 16. Centimeters are always cut into 10 equal pieces. You slip into the twilight. Other ones. Nobody has anything. How many 5?
20.
Number 20. Divide and write the quotient as a mixed number. So I need to write this as a division problem. How does it, if I write it as a division problem, where does the 3 go? You've got this division box. The 3 goes here or here? Which one? Here or here? Left or right?
Left.
Left or right, Ellie?
Left.
3 goes here. 19 goes there. How many times does 3 go into 19? 6 whole times. When we get what's left over, we don't write it as a remainder, we write it as a fraction. And how does that fraction work? This goes on top. This goes on the bottom. 6 1/3. Does that help, Ellie? Yes, ma'am.
For 13, was it 423,400?
It was 3. Did you say 323,400? 323,400. Yes.
Now, I realize when it is.
Well, that's why. Remember again, when you take the test tomorrow, people, most of you get done with it in like 10 minutes. You know, it would do you. If you had a problem like what problem was that? 13. If you're looking at problem number 13, you have lots of time to try to figure out if you got something right or wrong, because a lot of people miss triple digit multiplication. What's a good way to check your answer on this problem? Colton? Let's say you do this problem and you get an answer right here. What's the best way to check your answer? Nah, I wouldn't divide because we haven't done triple digit division. If it was a small number, you could do that and that would be okay. If it's a big number, what I would do is flip these two numbers around and put the 350 on top and the 924 on the bottom. Multiply that and see if my two numbers match. If you match, then you're pretty sure you got the problem right. If they don't match, then you either did something wrong or over here. If you did it wrong here, you're going to get the problem wrong when you write your answer down. Because the nice thing about multiplication is 8 times 9 is essentially 9 times 8. Up and down, sideways, it doesn't matter. Frankie, did we get somewhere on that? There's still an awful lot of paper.
Yeah, I need the line paper for notes.
Well, but you can keep the line paper in the 3-ring binder and just take it out of there.
But then when I take it out, this helps out.
Huh?
This helps out for me. Wait, if I were to go to
And secondly, every day's assignments you go on front there. I don't see any assignments.
I put my assignments here. Mine's right.
Wait, children, Frankie has just said that despite Mr. Hahn's instructions of keeping assignments in the front of this 3-ring binder and everybody else following that rule, he says the rules are different for him. To which Mr. Hahn's going to say, Frankie, we've looked at your 3-ring binder and the rules that you're using for yourself don't seem to be really working out real well for you. Maybe one of you, maybe you could take Frankie under your wing and show him how you, look at Maggie's notebook here. She has at least twice as many papers in hers as yours.